Kiuvundi Kimanyisyoni kinene cha Masaku University musieni wa Masaku chede wa Kuvinguwa umbano wambe wa mwaka uwangilile na 18 kwete Maundu maki ukunikili kisaenzi na Maundu maki umundi balamweni munene wa chadikiki umbanoni Professor Javed Muchemi ulani mwandiki mutenikande ni wa mubeani wa kisomo. Professor Javed Muchemi ni wumya witano kui alimu Kimanyisyoni mavikiye na kumina mukomo ulama twaisiye ibindani liji balawa kulia kana siana mbingi taibiki tena kwasya munondi no ibindaye alimu mabiki tena kwende wa mukomoni balawa asya amanewa Kimanyisyoni matona kwilikanyana itindo ndoku ayenda mabikiye na kulela njango na kwitikilia kutwaisya unenania na serikali.
This university, Masaku University, one of our public universities. You know, we have 31 public universities, which is very good, growing university education. Wow, are hosting their first annual international conference. And if you imagine is that universities are centers of excellence. Part of the job is to teach and train future leaders of a country. But more importantly, it is extremely serious if we consider that for a long time our lecturers who are teaching future leaders spend a lot of time out of class, out of laboratories, and so on. I think this leads to our young people, our young graduates, not covering the courses as was intended, and we would like our students to be taught fully so that they are first class, so that when they are out working in Kenya, when they are out working in the rest of the world, we have credible people working out there.
Iseso yi yatwaigwa kwete ukunikiliwa Maundu maki umundi balawa wetakana ni yakwela na yakwete Maundu masio bandi yitu ya Kenya. Giripoti ya cheni cha mawoku mabamusieni munene wa Masaku Bita David Wambua.